Hey guys, we're playing Angry Birds and I just passed the level right now. I'm evil forever. Okay. The sheriff.
There you go.
Okay.
It's a microwave. It heats up everything. Pasta, lasagna, meatballs, wherever. It's science. Yeah, that's how it heats up the food. It's scientific. And you specifically bought this science on, Yeah. From your phone.
I'm gonna take a shower.
Don't put metal in it. Come on, get it out of here.
I need a Jetta Teeterboro. I need a Jetta Teeterboro.
We don't need a jet. Let him walk to the curb and get it. That's not how it
Oh
works.
no.
You gotta start from the feet up.
Uh-oh.
That doesn't mean anything. What does that mean?
I didn't pass it.
You gotta be committed to something in your life, for Christ's sake, all right? I want a jet at Teeterboro for the sheep. It could be a small jet. Doesn't even have to take
Oh,
off.
this guy's so
How much money the bureau's gonna fucking spend. You take off the land.
That was the hardest.
You can have a jet for now.
Hey,
Take off and
dummy.
land at Peterborough.
I got a jet? All right, thank you.